So hi guys, welcome back to WWScenics. So this is part 3 of our weathering videos. Part 1, just in case you missed it, was the rust. Part 2 was our earth tones. Our next one is our black soot. So stay tuned after this. Right, we're going to go straight into this one. Yeah, black soot. Here we go. Take the lid off. Get your brush that you've been using, and all we're doing on this now is that we're going to start to build the grime up. Yeah, this is the grime of this. You get this blackness going down the track, and we're going to do it in bits and pieces, not all the way down. We'll do the other side. What you can do for extra detail is either get a flat brush like that, yeah, so you want to be tighter, spread it along where you've just put it on the other side so it looks like the grime has been either side of it. Yeah, if you get too much on the brush, give it a tap off. That way then, not going too heavy with the powder. And just keep building up that colour. Finish off down the middle on this one. Okay, so I've laid that down a bit now. All we're going to do is just a little bit more blending in, so we don't get it so harsh. Here we go, have a quick little look. And I think we're done on that one. I'm going to come up now and I'm going to look at Josh and tell me where the best camera angle I can get. Yeah, I'm being pointed at the front one. Up we get, there we go. Yeah, there you can see that, I think that black looks, pretty smart at the end of the day. I'm liking that. That is starting to look really, really, really good. You've got a really good tone of rust there and there. You've got that black splodges. Yeah, that's great. Okay, so that was part 3, applying the black soot. It's a quick little video. We're only literally just showing you what the black colour can do and how contrast it does come out onto the track. We do have another video coming up. So stay tuned, please. If you do like it, share and like, and obviously subscribe to the channel and hit that little bell as well for the notifications. Speak to you soon. Thank you very much. Bye bye.